finally woke up. That little sleepy
Y'all ready to sing?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Do we need to clear some space?
No, I think we're good.
I just don't want to set it from the
I think we're good.
Now, Tyler, why are you taking pictures for your own birthday?
Because I'm weird.
Well.
Are you going to take some too?
Alright.
Yeah, I will.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
I knew it! Happy birthday! Yes! Yes! It's awesome!
We're having a
I knew it. I knew he had that phone in his hand.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thanks.